once again into the hands this time. It is
pass complete to support. Sean pushed out of bounds by number 21, Jenkins. 4 yards, second down. Tackled by number 97, Thomas Bugaki. It's a flag down.
After yards were gained, number 85, Calgary, back 10 yards, first down.
It's the GOAT here, more Canadian Football League action, except this is the youth football. But it sounds professional, it looks professional. Let's watch some.
Zion Brown up the middle. Tackled by Christopher Mathiolo.
So this thing's got it all. We got announcers. I just zoomed in. I'll show you that. Calgary Colts is the home team. They're down 20.
Pass complete to Zion Brown. Tackled by Thomas Bugaki. Lucas Ringett lines up for a 39-yard field goal attempt. No time remaining. Ringett from 39.
Damn, that was pretty impressive. 39-yard field goal. But guys, coming under 18 years old in Canada. That's pretty good. So that's the half, boys and girls. I'm gonna get up here and show you what we got going on. Is the wind has really picked up. There was a youth football match on this field, now it's empty. But there's another youth football match going on over there. But wait for it, there's a baseball game going on over there. This is Shouldice Athletic Park. Shouldice Athletic Park. Hang on 1 second, boys and girls. Oh, and you got the train. There was a time in this fair land when the railroad did not run. With the old majestic mountains showed alone against the sun. This is my best Gordon Lightfoot impersonation. And now let's watch the Canadian Railroad trilogy. Boys and girls, you saw me zooming in there. That's where I came from just a moment ago, in Canada Olympic Park. I zoomed in, that's the ski jumping venue. If you Google 1988 Olympics, Eddie the Eagle. 1988 Olympics, Eddie the Eagle. He was like Big Bird, Weird Al, rolled into one. You think I got the Big Bird hair? Well, today's a windy day. Do not despair, this is my real hair. Eddie the Eagle, that brother had some major turf on his head. The railroad, man. There was a time in this fair land where the railroad did not run. When the old majestic mountains stood alone against the sun. Long before the white man and long before the wheel. I don't remember the rest of the lyrics. That's the Canadian Railroad Trilogy by Gordon Lightfoot, one of my top 5 singers. You want to know the others? Number 1 is an easy one. We'll wait for that one. How about the Dead? Grateful Dead, that's one of them. The Doors. Nancy Griffith. Nancy who? Nancy Griffith. Look her up. She was the best. She's the only female on my list. And number one, Reverend Jim. No, not Jimmy Swaggart. He couldn't sing and he couldn't preach either. He was a fool. He was a crook. I'm talking about Jimmy Buffett. One of my heroes besides my father and the great Muhammad Ali. And my family members and friends. Jimmy, my teachers and coaches. Jimmy Buffett. Now, I'm not wasting away in no Margaritaville. I am on the far side of the world. Actually, no, I'm on the other side of the border. I'm in Canada. I was on the other far side of the world, in Asia and in Europe. And I've been in Antarctica. Now, it's partying in the world, Jimmy Buffett. Boys and girls, it's halftime here. It's picked up. I need to use the party to take a party in the party. Or later. Or maybe not.